Now let's check also how the NASDAQ looks this week. Well, the NASDAQ looks bearish as it looks on the chart. I have opened here a sell order where you can see it with the stop loss and take profit, and as it looks right now, the price has started this week with this bullish candle trying to reach a lower price level I have mentioned, and then the price reverses back down, testing this breakout which has happened in the previous week with this candle. This breakout has been validated and the price did not close back inside, but it has reached it with a wick. And then the price on a Wednesday has gone down with a strong bearish candle reaching this demand zone and did not stop at all, where the price continued to fall down even more, and then on a Friday has made a retrace, confirming this breakout here of this demand zone as the next supply zone with this Friday candle. I have mentioned also inside the trading community what would be the stop loss, take profit, and also the entry. For now, as it looks, 14634 and 14880 with a target 14330. So 146 was here, 146 was here. This has been triggered, but the stop loss is also triggered because I have put the stop loss 14880. I did not expect that the price will continue and return all the way to this here, a supply zone, and then continue to move down. If this stop loss would not be activated, the take profit would be activated. So let's check also the weekly analysis, how this looks. After the week has gone outside, made a breakout on the weekly time frame, we can see that the price returned back up, confirming this breakout as a valid one, did not return and continued to fall down. So this is a great signal and also great chart pattern about the breakout and also validation on the weekly, and we have seen it on the daily time frame. So the price has gone down and we can see the price did not stop at this support around 1430, but it had continued to move even more down. Let's see how the month end looks. The monthly time frame looks also bearish. We have 2 more days until this month ends, so as it looks right now, the price has gone below the critical level, and which is here 14200. If the price goes down even more, there is still open space for the price to continue to go even more down, 138 and also 1365 an area. As it looks right now, it doesn't look bullish. I do not expect that the price will continue and reverse back up to continue above 146 price level. As it looks, it will continue to fall down on the chart, but anything can happen. So we have 2 more days until this month ends. And also let's check how the weekly looks. The weekly looks also bearish, and the price has the next level where the price could stop is around this area, around our area 1400. Sorry, it is around 139 area. So this is the first support for the price after continuing to drop down. So I'm expecting that the price will continue to fall down in value, and this is the first position where the price could stop. On the upside, if the price reverses on the weekly time frame, the critical level for the price is this one here, 1440. The price needs to return back up to continue and then to make a breakout above this one, which was a very strong support for the price. We can see it here, 146. So we can see on the daily time frame much more clearly what are these levels that the price needs to break. This is 138, the price level, 139, the price level I have mentioned, which is very important level. Let's zoom out a little bit so we can see it here. We can see that previously the price had needed to make a breakout to the upside here at this price level and then continue to move up. This is the next support for the price that needs to reach. So this is the price level here. For the price, currently the price is in between this resistance and also this support area, and also this supply zone is very strong. We can see that the price tried to move up, but then it was pushed down, and here it is some kind of a supply demand zone, which needs to be tested. So for now the price did not stop here, which means that this demand zone was not very strong for the price. There is a strong selling pressure that is going down. We can see also that the price has gone outside and below this uptrend, which means the price is shifting from the uptrend been moving for now in the downtrend. And for now, very important level for the price if it wants to continue to move up. This is the area 1440 that needs to be broken to return above this and cancel this bearish move, at least to move inside this indecision area. I will also share my trading idea for the next week, but for this NASDAQ. But for now, you can see that I am already entered onto this retrace back here after the breakout has happened, and I'm catching this area here with the stop loss just above the weekly Friday candle. We will see how this plays out, but also if you would like to see other trading ideas, you can also join the trading community. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.